What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today we have Trevor's 2021 Jeep Wrangler Hybrid, which is a 4xE. Alright, we did a whole bunch of random customer provided stuff, so let's go over it. First and foremost, these little diode side markers, no big deal. We replaced those with the clear versions. We've got the Diode Elite fog lights, little LED projectors to swap out the factory LED projectors, but these have an amber backlight, which is tied in with the turn signal. We have the Diode Dynamics 30-inch bars. They are in driving configuration, but it's a dual bar setup, and these bolt directly onto the chassis, so that's a cool little plug-and-play kit. And finally, we have the Baja Designs LP4s that are mounted directly to the bumper itself, trimmed out through the bumper cover, and then we used a license plate frame holder with a 8-inch acrylic that I machined on the router table to just perfectly trim it out and hide all of the rough cuts and make something that's really silly look not so silly. As you can see, they're almost flushed in there, and that is pretty groovy. I also installed these OEM 4-button aux switches, and that was all customer provided equipment. I'm trying to get a little video of that there, but these actually interface through the car's computer, so you can change the settings. It does require a dealer flash, however I did install them and wire them up. So these control all of the new functions, so if I press aux 1 it lights up there, and with aux 1 pressed you can see that the LP4s are now lit up. They are very bright. Hooray! Aux 2. Aux 2 is the LP4's backlit feature, which does a nice little amber LED in there, which you can use as a driving light if you so choose, or I guess theoretically you could wire it up to a turn signal too, but not these because they're in the middle of the truck. Aux 3! And finally, of course, the incredibly bright Diode Dynamics LED bars, which is on the aux 3, and they are awesome, and they will completely blind out the camera if we so choose. Alright. With the parking light mode on, we can see that the Diode Dynamic Elite fog lights have a beautiful pure white mode to it. We've got the factory running lights on the side there, and then those Diode Dynamics side markers that are all lit up. So things are pretty. With the fog lights off and the turn signal on, you can see the backlit feature of those Elite Series fogs that is tapped into the turn signal, and that is a nice added supplemental turn signal light. And now just showing off the Baja LP4s, these little 4-inch LED pods. They also have these amber or yellow clear covers that can click on there, and I had to gap the acrylic trim to allow for that tolerance. But they look pretty groovy, and everything is buttoned up and looks good, and we're happy. And this is what it looks like with those LP4s on with those yellow covers on. So it just makes it super bright yellow, ultimate fog light mode. So everything that I did on this vehicle was a installation service only. I did not sell any products, so in the video description that will only be a labor hour quantity for reference purposes only. I'm a Diode Dynamics direct dealer, and I also sell Baja Designs products, so if you're interested in any of these products for yourself, you may come on by and I can sell you stuff, or I can install your client provided products as well for local clients only. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. You have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya.